Are you prepared, gamers, to step up your audio game? Meet the Truke BTG Flex, a pair of earbuds that are going to revolutionize your gaming experience. The Truke BTG Flex is designed to provide unparalleled clarity for every detail, sound, and explosion in your favorite single-player or multiplayer game. Whether you're slugging it out on competitive multiplayer or just taking in the ambiance, let's investigate why these earphones are the best option for gamers. First things first, let's talk about latency. In the world of gaming, milliseconds matter, and Truke knows that. The BTG Flex offers an ultra-low latency of just 40 milliseconds. Imagine this: you're in the heat of battle. Every move counts, and every sound can mean the difference between victory and defeat. The 40 millisecond ultra-low latency gaming mode keeps your audio perfectly in sync with the visuals. No more lag, no more delays, just pure, uninterrupted gaming bliss. You'll react instantly to in-game sounds and actions, giving you that much-needed competitive edge. But what's great latency without incredible sound quality, right? Truke has you covered here too. The BTG Flex comes equipped with 13mm speakers that deliver powerful, punchy sound. And it's not just about volume, it's about quality. The HiFi DSP Sound feature adapts to whatever content you're consuming. Watching a movie, listening to music, gaming, the earbuds automatically adjust to give you the best possible audio experience. The sound is rich, clear, and immersive. You'll feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. Let's not forget about the environmental noise cancellation. We all know how annoying it can be when outside noises interfere with your gaming. The BTG Flex has you covered with top-notch noise cancellation, allowing you to focus entirely on your game. Footsteps, gunshots, enemy movements, you'll hear them all with crystal clarity, without any distractions from the outside world. It's just you and your game, the way it was meant to be. Now let's talk about design. Because who says you can't look good while playing your game? The Truke BTG Flex comes in 3 eye-catching colors: sunset black, alpine green, and sunset orange. But it's not just about colors. The earbuds feature a premium chrome design that's not only sleek, but also packed with RGB lights on both earbuds and the charging case. This dynamic aesthetic is sure to turn heads whether you're at home or on the go. And with touch controls, you have seamless control right at your fingertips. Play, pause, switch tracks, answer calls is just a tap away. But that's not all. The dual pairing gaming mode is another game changer. We live in a multi-device world, so why shouldn't your earbuds keep up? With the BTG Flex, you can connect 2 devices simultaneously. Imagine, you're watching a video on your laptop when a call comes in on your phone. No need to fumble around and disconnect and reconnect. The BTG Flex handles it all seamlessly, so you can switch between devices without missing a beat. It's all about convenience and flexibility, letting you stay in control no matter what. Let's talk battery life, because what's the use of all these features when your earbuds can't keep up? The BTG Flex offers an impressive 60 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's right, 60 hours. You can game for days without needing to recharge. But when you do need a quick boost, the rapid charging technology steps in. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you 100 minutes of playback time. So even if you're in the middle of a marathon gaming session, you won't have to wait long to get back into the action. So, let's recap. The Truke BTG Flex isn't just another pair of earbuds. It's a powerful tool designed to enhance your gaming experience. Ultra-low latency for that competitive edge, HiFi DSP Sound for immersive audio quality, environmental noise cancellation for distraction-free gaming, dual pairing for convenience, and a premium design that looks as good as it performs. All are backed up by an incredible 60 hours of battery life and rapid charging that keeps you in the game. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your gaming audio experience with the Truke BTG Flex. Are you ready to hear the difference? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming gear insights.